Yes, sir. Me the boat, you know.
Alright, from morning up here.
From morning.
Yeah man, this is the St. Vincent. I saw it name? Yeah man. I dig the bank you know. Put it in the what? St. Vincent. Come on, Avil man, you're the fan camera man. Make it look like a bank, sir. Yes, my YouTube fans, you don't know it's all about back on the farm with Sir Waterby. Alright, yeah. So this time around we're gonna check the grass we sprayed the last time. The cocoa that we cut and put to stale before plant. We hear the cocoa head, yeah. And we have some yam hills, some yam bank to finish dig. Alright, so yes my people, back on the farm with Sir Waterby. Yeah man. Yeah, try see if I find two cherry, you know. Yeah, it's all about cherry, my people. Cherry. Yeah, whole heap of work go on since we gone, you know. Right now, there's a lot of bank dig here. Yeah, as you can see. And as you can see, there's a cassava. There's a cassava. Seems like Sir Waterby dig a root of cassava here. Yeah. Alright, my people, we're up on the farm. Sir Waterby! Wagwan. The cassava. What type of cassava that?
Sweet cassava, man.
Oh, sweet cassava.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Yeah, man, the viewers them want you give a shout, so I come make sure that you give them a shout, you know?
Yes, sir. Me the boat, you know.
Alright, from morning up here.
From morning.
What you mean, man? I saw you going, man, have to work here, sir.
What you mean, man?
Alright, Sir B, we're up on the farm, alright?
Yeah, man. We are putting some here there, you know.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, this is the St. Vincent. I saw it name? Yeah, man, St. Vincent yam.
That's the head.
This is the head of it. Alright, people, right now we're going to dig a bank, you know? We're going to dig a bank and show you how the bank dig and everything. And how we plant it, alright? Because it's ready to plant, alright? Yeah, man. I dig the bank, you know? Put it in the what? St. Vincent. The dirt are kind of tight still.
Yeah, man. Rainfall.
Rainfall panic kind of tight. But you know, I will still sing the park. Smell the clear dirt, you know. Smell the clear dirt. But yeah, me night, man.
So what the strategy behind the planting, you know? You dig out it first?
Yeah, man. Getting the middle of soft out, because yam have to go down, you know. Yam have to go down in the middle, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tree root I broke.
Yeah, actually, man. You know.
Tree rotted, man. You don't.
Like a bulldozer.
Yeah, man. Farming make you strong, man.
Yeah, man. My week is one of pen, sir. Bite me a bite a little bit.
Yeah, let's put back dirt on the bank.
Yeah.
Best exercise in the world.
Yes, I.
You want no treadmill.
Let me dig from again.
Alright, so you dig out the middle now, so you're going to start stockpile it.
Yeah.
We start make the bank now.
The banky there, so.
Yeah.
And I come right up banky over there. So. Yeah, man, I blow, man.
Yeah, man, I feel blow, sir. Man, I feel blow. Go girl bush, you know. Girl in bush, me go. Feel blow, sir. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I come up on him again. Yeah, mark you on here. So you can get big. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
It's all about the yamil.
Future food.
Farming.
You know?
That's the way you eat food. See, yeah man. Yeah man, they on the farm with Sir Waterby and Harville, you don't know. Yeah man, Jamaican Farmers Hut. See.
3.
Do a thing like this.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
It's all about farming.
That's good farming.
One of the most magnificent work.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, upon this.
You know what, yeah, I turn around my bank, man.
Yeah, the dirt is very thick, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, sometimes I have to use your hand.
Mm-hmm.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So how long now that take for beer, Sir Waterby?
About 9, 10 months.
Okay, after 10 months time, people, come and check this bank. Pot full up.
Yes.
See? See. Ah, Jaja. Give them the name of the yam, the Sir B.
St. Vincent, man. St. Vincent. Nice.
People.
Nice St. Vincent.
Yeah. How could I have again? Purple?
Purple, man.
Yeah,
You know,
man.
I'll tell you.
Yes, I. 40 years not the farm.
Yes, I. Yes, I. Yes.
Jaja.
And this is how the yam grow on a vine.
Yeah, man.
And it's from the tuber family, so you know it produces underground.
Yeah, it's an underground farm plant, you know?
There.
Yeah. Alright, when you're upon the farm as a big farmer, this is the way you clean your fork. Yeah man, this is the way you clean your fork on the farm, alright? This guy's a professional, you know. Yeah man. This guy is doing farming over 40 years now, so you know what he's doing, alright. Yeah man. This guy is the little junior Sir Waterby, you know. Yeah, what up ahead now man, people them.
Yeah man, yeah man.
Alright, yes I. Yeah man, so I'm clean him fork for go down to the ground, alright?
Man, so everyone have them own planting style, them own yam digging style. My strategy is to dig it across first and then you mold the dirt on top of it. So you need the space in the bottom for the yam to go down. You need the height to plant the yam above the dirt. So the yam will be coming from above the dirt and bearing all the way underneath the bottom. So this is the first step now to dig it across to get the depth. So now we're digging for the depth.
Alright. Digging for the depth, my people. Yeah, this is how to dig the yam hill.
Lazy man style.
Ah, lazy man style. You know? Yeah. Seems like the lazy man style of work, man. Cause him a broke root. Yeah.
Alright, so now we dig across. So I'll come from the top now and start to make the bank. So this is an estimated 12-inch in depth. And now you're gonna go, that's 12-inch underground, and now you're gonna rise above the ground. So you break from the top, then you start your pile.
Alright, this guy's a professional, you know.
Break again from the top. Continue the pile.
Alright. Alright. This is one of the bank, the St. Vincent Bank. Never dig.
Okay.
Don't dig as yet. So don't know if the boss is gonna dig it, but you know it keep on springing back freshly. Alright.
Alright. First start find a worm them, you know, say you go on with things, you know.
Yes man. In at the bank.
In the bank, in the bank.
Yeah man, you're in the bank man.
So you're digging the side now to get the excess dirt to go on top.
Yeah.
As you already get the depth earlier, now you're getting the height.
Yes I. That is the bank. That is the bank man.
Rent on St. Vincent.
Yeah.
And as you get in the height now,
Now put your
The strategy,
Cut off this.
here form a cup, so whenever the rain fall, this have some catchment to store some extra water,
Alright.
so the yam can feed over time.
Come on, Avil, man, you're the fan camera, man. Make it look like a bank, sir. We don't see no money I push out. Make it look like a bank, bossy. How much year you saying at the farming?
40 years, 40 years.
Then I want if I hear that, brother.
I'm not country forestry.
Yeah, alright, alright, alright. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, man, the yam meal ready. Alright. Yes, sir. Yeah, this is what you call yam meal. Yam bank is ready. Just to put some head into it. Alright? See. Yeah, man. It's all about yam. Just need some water right now. You know, and we're getting it. So by a few days time, you're gonna see spring. Yam start to spring up, you know. And then we have to tick it. You know, cut some yam stick.
Yeah.
Understand? Yeah, so yeah, this bank was dig by Sir Waterby. Yeah, man.
Yes, I.
I him that, you know.
Yeah.
Alright. Cool. Yeah, have some cucumber here. Just start to blossom. Yeah. So you know what that means. Soon get some cucumber. Alright? Yeah, man. This is from the cucumber family. Alright? Alright, we are troubleshoot the hills and now we are go down the gully and now see if we plant some cocoa head. Yeah. This plant here, we call it the Wilax. Yeah, man, it's good for pressure. It's good to thin out your blood. You understand? Instead of taking aspirin. Alright? We call it Wilax. Alright? Alright. Down the farm. Yeah. Sir B, I trim up the banana, make sure them alright, you know? Yeah, not too crowded with too much trash.
Cut off a couple leaf, you know.
Yeah.
Quail leaf.
Take off the quail leaf them. Yeah. Yeah, man, quail leaf off the tree, you know? Yeah, man, in the last previous video where we do some spraying, this is the pumpkin that we spray out, you know? Yeah, as you can see, some of the grass burned. Yeah? So yeah, all of here is pumpkin, you know? So this is where in the previous video where we do some spraying. Alright? Yeah, man, this is the time when pumpkin start to run, you know. When you see the pumpkin start to run, you know, the vines start to run. Yeah? This is where, you know, soon start to bear. Alright? Because the vine started to run. Alright? So yes, my people, it's all about pumpkin. Okay? Sweet potato. Plant recently. Yeah. Doing very good. Yeah, man, this is the time for cocoa. Time to plant cocoa, you know what I mean? If you notice. Yeah. Ready to plant, alright? Yeah, man, you cut it. Cut it up, put it for a while to get stale, you know? And to spring. Once you see start to push out the high, it is time to plant. So you don't know me, people. Yeah? My viewers, it's all about cocoa. It's time to plant cocoa. Alright? We're gonna dig some hole now to plant cocoa, alright? Yeah, man. It's time to plant cocoa, my people. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Very nice. Alright? Once this go into the ground, yeah, there are so many high shooting out. Alright? Ready to plant. Yeah, on the farm, digging some cocoa hole, some hole to plant cocoa. Alright? Yeah, man, as you can see, right up the line, cocoa hole.
Irie.
Yeah, Farmer Jack is up there. Alright? Yeah. All these holes here. Cocoa. Yeah, man. Have some sweet potato over there. Alright? Yeah, man. Farmer Jack is here. Yeah, man. Farmer Jack. We have some pumpkin here. Just started to spread. We have some sugar bean. We call this sugar bean. You hear me, people? Yeah, man. Up in England, there, sugar bean. Kendra Wagwan. Big up yourself. Terry. What you mean, man? Yeah, man. Mr. Simit. What you mean, Seymour? Big up yourself. We there. Yeah, man. Pumpkin. Ready for run out, alright? Yeah, man. Still on the verge of planting cocoa, you know? Yeah, man. The same blue body cocoa. Yeah. Sir Water Bee, go and plant out, alright? Yeah, man. End up on the plantation, I have to take a 5 now and then side. Yeah, man, you don't know it's all about. Yeah, journey, hard work, farming. It's all about food, brother. Seeing, you know how sweet it is, plant them cocoa here and 3 months after start to reaping cocoa. Yeah, man. It's all about the idle stew pot. Sight? Sight.
Yeah, man, so, you know, say, to them stick, you know, get them stick here, you know, put them down here, so, you see it? I'm start set it that way, yeah. Because you don't know, say, the next 3 month time, you have to put the pot. Right, that's what I start, make it fire already, make it fire, the pot.
Where side?
And then you have the pumpkin. So I soup, you know, so you have a pumpkin, I have a sweet potato over there, so. So sweet potato, and then you have a pumpkin, and then you have a sugar bean. The sugar bean, yeah, so a bit of herb and put the herb upon it, and then run and get the bean above, and get the pumpkin to go with the bean and the soup, and see cocoa there, and see sweet potato. So right, that's now see fire heap here, then you come back with the pot, and some water, and a Maggi chicken soup, no cock soup, chicken soup.
Yeah, what I deal with cock, you know, what I deal with cock.
Right
no
here.
rooster.
No
Sight?
cock right here.
Yeah.
Chicken soup.
It's all about Maggie.
Yeah, man. So see you 3 month time.
Alright.
Make it a day. Don't be late.
Seeing it. I mean, don't know what they go on, you know, but Sir Water Bee have a cocoa in their hand like he want to fling it. I don't know what they go on. What they go on there, Sir B? Boy, we run out of petrol, you know. Boy, I tell you. So go here, man. We have 2 drum here, but we can't drink them water there. Yeah, man. This is the way you plant the cocoa now. After you cut it up and make it stale, yeah, this is the way you plant it because it have a sprout here. So you're gonna plant it like this. Alright? Yeah. Throw some dirt around it. Yeah, man. Yeah. So by a couple days, yeah, the cocoa is start to sprout. Alright? Yeah, leave out of the farm now, you know. Beat out and tired, yeah. After hard days of work, you know what I mean? So yes, my people, please remember to like and to share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to see the next video coming out, alright? So yes, my people. Yeah, man, we are coming off of the farm now. So you don't know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, alright? Yeah. So that's why they mix it. Okay.